Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Najima Bibi binti Salim with metric number 049591. Today, I will present about my final technology project, which is antibacterial multifunction board for practical and hygiene shopping. Okay, now we go to the introduction. Chopping board is an essential kitchen appliances that is used every day in our life. In kitchen, there are many ways to clean different type of chopping board surface, such as using hot water, vinegar, and many more. Without a proper surface cleaning, the chopping board becomes the medium of microbe spreading. Foodborne disease pose a significant burden, make food safety an important public health concern. Nanomaterials have developed a new era in border industry to solve many problems, and this project is majorly focusing on nanosilver powder's roles as a disinfectant for controlling the various infections observed on the chopping boards. Okay, now we proceed with the problem statement. Okay, first is the global public health concern is rapidly increasing. Second, chopping board become the most common place for the microbial spreading. Third, the disinfectant have been used to eliminate infection influenced by various constraints is dangerous to skin. And the last is the existing antibacterial chopping board is not good enough to stop the microbial spreading and the lifespan is short. Okay, now we move to the objective, which is the first is to identify the microbe spreading trends on the domestic chopping board surface. Second is to design a silver-coated multifunction chopping board based on potential antimicrobial domestic kitchen appliances. And the last is to stimulate the mechanical and antimicrobial properties of silver coating deposition by physical vapor deposition technique. Okay, this is the plan phase for my project, which is first the literature review. Second is the identification of customer niche, which includes the benchmarking, form of product specification, concept generation, technical drawing, bill of material, and design optimization. Third is the chopping board development and nano silver coating. And fourth is the testing of effectiveness. Okay, now we continue with usefulness and application. First, a new antibacterial surface for the chopping board was studied because the nano silver coating is widely used in the medical field. Second, stop the microbial spreading on the chopping board with the use of nano silver coating. Third, maintain food hygiene with the application of an antibacterial layer. Fourth, the silver coating that is used not only for the antibacterial properties but also comes with long life coating due to its mechanical properties. Fifth, reduce the use of the kitchen appliances such as knife sharpener and the placement of chopped food such as plates. Then used in domestic kitchen area. And the last is the customer segmentation is housewife and daily domestic user. Okay, we proceed to the novelty and inventiveness. Okay, using a bamboo scramble as the base of chopping board is well known for its durability. Have a storage compartment that make the chopping board user friendly. Silver coated chopping board that can resist bacterial spreading. Have drainage tray to stop or avoid the microbial spreading in any circumstance. Come with a knife sharpener that help to reduce the kitchen appliances. Simple and compact design chopping board. Portable and easy to use. Okay, now we proceed to the physical vapor deposition PVD coating process. Okay, as what we can see, the silver ion accelerate to the target surface. Then the target atom ejected from the target surface by silver ion, and the ion is become the coating layer of the part that been coated, and the part that been coated in my project is the stainless steel metal. Okay, this is the antibacterial result. First, as what we can see is the silver coating. Then is the silver cumulative between the water and the medium that is used. And then the antimicrobial activities. Okay, Next is the FISM surface morphology. This is the technique that being used to analyze the surface coating. Okay, this is adhesion strength, which is what we can see. At the thickness of 7.8, the adhesion strength shows the highest, and it's been varies with the varies of the thickness. Okay, now we proceed with the idea generation. Okay, for this project, I has generated three ideas, which is ideation A, ideation B, and ideation C. Okay, as we go through the screening and scoring process and the customer needs, it's come up that the ideation C is the best solution and the best design to be used in this project. Okay, the overview of the selected ideation. As what we can see, here is a fluid flow tray, fluid flow channel, storage box, knife sharpener, stainless steel. And for the stainless steel, this is the material that being used as a layer on the chopping board, and the antibacterial layer is coated on the surface of the stainless steel. Okay, for the fluid flow channel, when we cut some raw material on the surface, the fluid that being produced will be channeled to the fluid flow channel, and the fluid will be stay at the fluid flow tray. So the user just have to take out the tray and wash it, and this will help to avoid the microbial spreading on the chopping board. And other than that, this chopping board also are user friendly because it comes with a storage box. Okay, now we proceed with the selected ideation. As what we can see here, this is the front view, top view, and isometric view of the selected ideation. Okay, this is the product simulation for the chopping board. We start with the safety factor simulation. The maximum load that we can use is 15 Newton, and the displacement now is the stress simulation. This is for the spring. And this is reaction force. And the last, this is contact pressure simulation. Okay, now we proceed with the product simulation for the antibacterial sheet. Okay, for the antibacterial sheet, first come with the 10 millimeter of thickness, second 5 millimeter of thickness, and the last is 3 millimeter of thickness. Okay, first for the safety factor, second for the stress, third for the strain, next for the displacement, and lastly for the reaction force. Even though when we see the result of the safety factor, it shows that the 10 millimeter of thickness is not safety enough. But when we come to application in chopping board, the 10 millimeter is very good because it can protect the bamboo scramble surface from falling apart or being destroyed. Okay, now we proceed with the product animation for chopping board 3. Then the product animation for chopping board 1. And lastly, product animation for chopping board 2. Okay, the commercialization and potential. The target user for this chopping board is housewife, people who wants to have a healthy lifestyle, and as what is its benefit is it can be used by all age and gender. And as what we know, chopping boards daily use as kitchen appliances, and it is very necessary for in our life. That's all from me. Thank you.